a first-order trade shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now get a move on, and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Bags and items can go on the ground or in the pouch beside you. Your seatbelts are going to be on your outside tier in. Once you're buckled up, you're going to pull on the yellow strap so I can see it. Perfect. We pull that yellow strap up. Perfect. My back row's good. Pull on the yellow. Right here. Perfect. May the force be with us and fly safely.
Flight engineer, repair deck. Hit your flashing buttons. Only one engineer. I'll do it again to help out. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly out. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, made the jump to light speed. There is the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Excellent. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I am the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Watch out. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get up. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This would greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that... Okay, that's something. Yeah, I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you list the parts that are not damaged. You know, the ones that help us to breathe. All right, my friends. You brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batu.
It starts shaking.
Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Gather your cargo, head out the back.
All available techs, we have a brilliant freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
Have a good
This
one.
thing is practically scrap metal.